Hello everyone, I am Sabar Sudan.
My name is Harish Bala.
Myself, Illavarasan.
I am Divyaradhan.
We are here to present our innovative project, the Noise Pollution Monitoring Device. Noise pollution is one of the most ignored yet harmful form of pollution. From busy traffic, construction sites, uh, to loudspeakers, factories. Excessive noise affect our hearing, sleep, and even mental health. Our goal is to create an affordable and portable device that can measure, classify, and hearing uh, noise levels in different areas. Helping environment is more aware and responsible.
We often see vehicles, horns, and loudspeakers and industrial sounds which affect the people's daily life, but there is no real-time example of measuring the report the exam level of noise made in many areas. Our project main objective is to detect the noise pollution and in the screen of LCD display, and it helps the buzzer to identify the people's or IoT notifications.
To make the readings meaningful, we calibrated our device using a smartphone SPL app. We compared both readings and adjusted the offset so that our sensor can give value close to real and pressure levels. Our system also sends clouding live data to clouding ThinkSpeak or Firebase, where it can be visualized as a real-time noise maps. This helps in monitoring zones such as schools, hospitals, residential areas, and promoting awareness.
The cost of our project is around 1000 to 2500 rupees to make it affordable for students, schools, or local bodies to deploy. In future, we had planned to keep an GPS device to identify the noise hotspots. And we have made an app for the citizen to report the excessive noise, and it gives the complaints to police station. Thank you. Let us keep our environment peaceful and clean.